Are you ready? Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. This is Ava from Glow with Ava and welcome to my channel today. If you are coming back, welcome back and thank you so much for coming back. If you are new in this channel, I cover everything you have to know about skincare, makeup, and a lot of facial massage hacks and tips. So in today's video, we are going to be covering how to use these Cyro Sticks to conduct cold therapy at the comfort of your own home. So cold therapy is something that has been trending, but it's been used for a very, very long time and has so many benefits for the skin and just other things as well. So what exactly is cold therapy? Cold therapy is something that can treat a lot of skin problems such as rosacea, but it can just be used by anyone. It can be used to do what I call the 3 Ds. First, to depuff, second, to decongest, and third, to drain out. So depending on how you use these sticks, you can also conduct a little bit of lymphatic drainage for your skin. So in this quick video, I'm going to cover how you can do this for about 3 minutes every single day. And one important tip is to keep this in your freezer to make it nice and cool. But before we begin this video, I just have to apologize because there is so much construction going on outside my apartment. I have no control, but this is New York City for you guys. But despite all of that sound, we're going to conduct a very calming exercise at home. This in itself is very cooling, soothing, but also anti-inflammatory, while also giving you a little bit of the lymphatic drainage. Before we begin any of this exercise, make sure your face is completely clean, face and neck everywhere. And then I'm going to prep the skin with a little bit of this antioxidant treatment essence. It's got more of like a liquidy texture, so do a little bit of essence first to prep the skin. This can be like your toner step, but it does have a little bit more of the viscosity. And then you also always want to make sure you have a little bit of serum or moisturizer. These Cyro Sticks can also be used over your typical mask or your sheet mask or skin, but I always like to do a little bit of prep with skincare before. So my favorite way to use these Cyro Sticks is to actually have a nice layer of serum. I'm using the Caudalie serum right here. I love the lightweight texture that helps the Cyro Sticks to glide on very nicely. And these Cyro Sticks can actually help your skincare to penetrate deeper into the skin. So make sure you go down all the way to your neck and décolleté area with this one. And now, with our skin fully prepped, we can begin our exercise. I typically like to go from bottom up. We're gonna start with our neck area first. Okay, so starting from here, it's so nice and cooling. You're just gonna go outwards. Make sure you're not touching like the middle area right here. And there's a lot of congestion always going around right in this area. So it's a perfect area to start to give yourself a little bit of that lymphatic drainage. Drain that out. If you feel any clumps, focus on that area and you're gonna push that out. And with these Cyro Sticks, you always want to go in and push that outwards like this. This direction is what we're going to be doing. And for each exercise, I recommend doing it for 10 to 20 times. And then with this one, you're going to go up behind your ear like this. I'll show you guys. Go up behind your ear. There's also where you have a lot of like chronic pain from looking at your phone screen, so you want to like push that area out. And also go in downwards directions if you have neck pain like this. Think of these as like an extension of your fingers, but a lot more powerful because of the way these are structured. Okay, so that is the neck area done. You can always go down and go down to your shoulder area as well. There is really no right or wrong way on how you can exactly use this because it's such a powerful tool to get that lymphatic drainage out. So I always like doing that. Now we're gonna go up a little bit to our chin and jawline. So this is great if you wanna kind of define your jawline for the day. Going upwards motions like this. And the way you want to do it is, instead of just going right on your jawline, you want to go like right underneath your jawline, right your chin is, right below, so that you're defining that jawline a little bit more. You're going to feel it. You're going to feel the extra layer of skin kind of glide back behind. So push that skin outwards push that skin, and you're gonna do this for about 20 times. Sometimes I like to do it more just because I'm always focused on that more defined jawline. And then now we're gonna start right below our chin, move that in outwards motions, and we're just gonna go upwards to our cheek area, like that. Okay. This feels really, really nice. Once again, do that for 10 to 20 times. I always want to do longer because of how great this feels. And then go right below your eye area to your cheekbones. And do that for 10 to 20 times as well. All right, here's another part that I love doing for my cheek area is when I want to kind of do a little bit of that like lifting motions. So this is when you're going to lift, 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 okay? Kind of go glide across your cheek area and lift, 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 lift. It's such a fun exercise. You can go faster if you want, kind of like mimicking the way massage and estheticians do it during your facial. Like this. You can go faster if you want. You can go slower. Can you hear my voice? So once you do that, you want to do the same thing for the other side of the face. Important thing to remember is that if you do something for one side, you always want to make sure you do it for the other side because we don't want an imbalanced face. So once again, do that, and then you go faster if you want once again. And now we're going to do our eye area. This is my favorite part because it really helps to depuff my eyes in the morning, but also help with the blood circulation around your eye area, because if you have better circulation around your eye area, that's obviously going to help with diminishing the look of your dark circles. So always make sure you're exercising your eye area. You can do this with your fingers, but having an extension tool like this makes it even more powerful, and that's the beauty of these sticks. And because it's been in the freezer, it's nice and cooling. And I recommend using something like this over ice cubes. I mean, I've seen a lot of TikTok trends using like ice cubes for the skin. I just don't recommend using like straight up ice cubes on the skin all the time because that may be a little bit too cold to put directly on your face. So just be wary, especially if you have sensitive skin. Another way you can use this for like along your eye area or cheek area is to do a little bit of a pumping action. So you can do easily pump. I love doing the pumping, especially for my under eyes. This helps with even more of the deep puffing and go outwards and stop right there to your temple. This area, just massage it, and this is gonna help with those of you with chronic headaches as well. So pump, 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 and then focus on your temples. Pump, 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 pump. Focus on your temples. Okay, it feels really nice. Another exercise you can do is to hold one right here and then do a little pumping action for around your eye. You're going to go up to your brow bone, do it in circle motions. One of my absolute favorite exercises to do with this tool. Pump, 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 pump. Yes, like that. Do that for the other side. Pump, 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 pump. Eye area. What you're gonna do is for your brow bone, doing circular motions right in the edge right here. Circular motions, and then you can glide across and end in your temples again. You can easily do the pumping motions for your brow as well, like we just did earlier. This also feels really nice. If you had a lot of headaches and tension, this is a great way. You won't realize how good this feels every morning to do, to release all of the stress and tension. Get a great start to the day, or even at the end of the day. Doing this will also help you calm down and get better sleep. Glide, glide, glide. Doing this is going to help with the formation of wrinkles, smoothen the wrinkles out, and having that good layer of serum underneath also helps with that smoothing out effect. You can also do it upwards motions like this. Glide that across your forehead. As you can see, like there's so many good ways to be able to use these tools. Glide that across. Okay, start from your forehead and we're gonna do a 360. Glide Glide that down behind your ears. Glide it down to your neck. Breathe. Let's do that one more time. Forehead behind your ears. Apply that pressure and breathe. One more time. Forehead behind your ears. Give a little pump behind your ears. Glide that down and breathe. Last thing, my favorite thing to do is just put this over your eyes like this. Breathe in and out. This helps to depuff your eyes. Shut yourself out from the world and just gather your thoughts. Meditate. Slowly open your eyes. I hope you guys found that exercise lovely, beautiful, and helpful. So if you want to see more helpful facial exercises and beauty hacks like this one, make sure to subscribe to my channel here below. I try to post once a week, so always come back for all of these helpful tips. But also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Glow with Ava, where I share skincare and beauty tips and hacks on a daily basis. So I can't wait to see you guys on all of those channels, and I will see you guys next.